is our next driver at 34.7. John Moore from Zanesville at 33.7. Jason Daniels at 33.20. Jesse Parsons at 32.53. And your leader from the first round, Adam Blankenhorn, at a 32.42. All right, Joe Barnhouse from Collins running the orange car and running it pretty good so far. Sponsored by Buying Junk Cars. That means he buys those junk cars. Joe just crawling through the hoop-de-hoops, trying to keep it on all four wheels. He doesn't want to flip over or make it over. Oh, Joe having some transmission issues. I think you're looking for first gear. It's high left. Oh, he's got reverse. That's not good. That'll do it. We got to bring somebody out here. Joe's not